$1,000 a day will keep that job away. That's facts. If you live in America right now, one thing that you need is $1,000 a day to be able to live comfortably and to live how you want. Now, I know a lot of people are going to make excuses. Will you find a job that pays $1,000 a day? Most likely not. It is something that you are going to have to build. You're going to have to build your own system and processes. See, a lot of y'all want a system or a process to take care of you, and you will be the one to be lost in America. You are the one that's going to be complaining about gas prices, complaining about eggs, complaining about dog food, complaining about daycare, and all these other things that you have to pay for to be able to live anyway. But in order to do so and live comfortably, you need to make $1,000 a day. Yes, it is very possible. That's $365,000 a year. Now, number one, you need to stop being a little bitch. There are going to be a bunch of grown men in the comment section making excuses about why they can't or why they don't have to. Now, I know I got these frugal fucks out here that say, hey, I make $50,000 a year. I live comfortably because I stopped buying Starbucks. Fuck you. I need my iced matcha latte with oat milk, and not buying Starbucks is not going to make me more money. You cheap little bitch. Okay, the first thing is make more money. There are a ton of ways. Let me tell you something. You have the internet, okay? Number one. Number two, government contracts. Those are just two ways that I've done before to make $1,000 a day and more. It is very possible. Again, stop being a bitch. Two, start making more money. The third thing, self-care. Here's one thing that a lot of people, especially people that are on the lower end of society, don't do. Something called self-care. Get a high-priced gym membership that has amenities, a sauna, and a steam room. These things will help clear your mind. A lot of you all eat trash fucking food all day, and there's a gut-brain connection, okay? That trash food you're eating is clogging your mind. That's why most people think that $1,000 a day is not achievable for the average person. Yes, it is. If you stop being a fucking bitch and you unclog your mind and open your mind to the opportunities. See, a lot of people think that people on the internet are scammers, right? That's because most of you all are broke little bitches, okay? So because people are able to use the internet and internet access, like to government contract and things, people are able to make money more efficiently and faster. But the old mindset of people thinks that you actually have to get out here and do hard labor and physical work to make this type of money, and you don't. This is the reparations. This is the new stimmy. A lot of you little bitches, you want the federal government to send you a check in the mail, or you want to get a card that has money that you can go to an ATM and take the money out, as we saw during the pandemic. That fucking titty in your mouth is what's keeping the diapers on you little shitty fuck. You have to get out of that stuff. It is very possible. I believe in you. I show people all the time how to do it. There's a million ways to skin this fucking cat of $1,000 a day. Like I said from the beginning, you may not be able to get it from a job. There are some that can have a specialized skill, but there are some of you all that have specialized skills already that you can monetize and charge other people to get to this, right? It can be $1,000 a day. It could be $10,000 on the weekend. It can be $5,000 every other day. However you swing that shit. There are some people out here that got really good at options trading and trading stocks. There are some people out here that have certain skill sets where they're able to achieve this. But first, stop being a bitch. 2, you have to have that skill set to make more money. 3, self fucking care. Unclog your fucking mind, you little bitch. But it is very possible, and it will become a necessity in these United States. Next year, during the election, they will most likely drop the interest rates. Guess what that's going to do? That is going to drive the prices of cars to go up, because once interest rates come down, people can afford more car, people can get cheaper car payments. They're going to go out and do that. The same thing will happen for housing. The housing prices will accelerate once the interest rates come down. They're already accelerating in some cities. These hedge funds, these cash buyers, they're out here throwing it down. But once the interest rates come down, the rest of the average people that are sitting on the sideline are going to rush in to go after the remaining homes. That is going to drive the price, okay? We are going to be in a situation where the average home is going to be well above $500,000 in the next 5 to 10 years, okay? And you need to make more money to be able to hang. Stop being a bitch. Drag your testicles across the fucking ground. I have big testicles. I don't give a fuck what nobody says. Nobody can stop me. I used to make less than $100 a day, then $100 a day, then $500 a day. Now I'm well over $1,000 a day. Don't let these people, and especially you bitch ass niggas in the comment section, make you feel that you cannot do this. There are going to be a bunch of soft little bitches in this comment section of this video that are going to be making excuses because there are fucking bitches that still suck their mama's titties in the place of the American titty, you little bitch. So with that being said, get out here and figure it out. There are a bunch of ideas. Stop watching all these videos and getting all this motivation and actually execute. Execute and never stop. You have to be consistent. That's how you get to the money. And that's just real. Sorry for cursing.